Everyone has its own body language. No matter how sweet a person speaks, no matter how good his behavior is, if there is a flaw in his body language, it has a negative effect on the front of other person. In such a situation, it is important that what we are thinking, what we are saying should be harmonized with our body language. Body language also has a profound effect on functioning and success. Even if you are filled with talent, but if there is a flaw in your body language, then it can prove to be a big stone in your path of success. An organization named Talent Smart studied millions of successful and unsuccessful people on this side and found that there are 15 such mistakes related to body language that successful humans never do. Well, we are bringing every video in Hindi and English, both the languages, so that more and more people can take the right education and get benefited from it. So if you want to watch this video in Hindi language, then you have two options. First, go to YouTube search bar and you can search for tegunity.com, which is our official YouTube channel. And on tegunity.com YouTube channel, you will see all the network marketing videos in Hindi language. And second option is quite simple, that in the description box of this video, you will find the link of the Hindi version of this video, so you can also see the Hindi version video from that link. So the first mistake in the count of 15 is walking in a carefree or ugly style. Walking in a carefree or easygoing manner is considered disrespectful. This shows that you are not interested in the things that are in front of you and you do not care about them. Whereas any manager at the workplace prefers to keep careless people away from the responsibilities. So the next time when your boss is saying something to you, not only listen to him properly but also make them feel responsible. Second mistake is presenting exaggerately. Whenever you talk to someone at your workplace, even if he is your boss, do not exaggerate things for small success. It spoils your image and the person in front of you understands that you just know how to talk. Never spread your arms or talk with your open palms in the order of conversation. Third mistake is watching the clock again and again. While talking to someone, look into his eyes and talk. It shows that you have confidence. It is wrong to steal your eyes or to look repeatedly at the clock or to your watch. It tells that you want to end the conversation sooner rather than listening to the person who is talking in front of you. Fourth mistake is people separating themselves from others. Well, you are doing a great job while separating yourself from others, but it is wrong if you do not get involved in people's conversation. Whenever you are in office and people are talking to each other, instead of keeping yourself away from those people, you should join the group, and it tells that you are also interested in better relationship with the people at your workplace. Fifth mistake is crossing the legs or crossing the arms. It is seen that many times people prefer to sit cross-legged in order to conversation with someone or talk with folded arms. Body language experts believe that this should not be done, especially when you are talking to your boss or the someone who is elder to you, because it means that you do not want to talk openly or hiding something. Sixth mistake is improper gesture. In the course of speaking to someone, whatever you are speaking, that should appear on your face also. For example, if you are sad, then it should be seen on your face. Should be seen if you are upset, otherwise the person in front will not believe you at all. Seventh mistake is shaking your head too much. We agree to support the person shaking his head, but avoid unnecessarily shaking head over and over anything. Eighth mistake is curing hair repeatedly. Never fix your hair or clothes again and again in order of conversation. From this, it seems that you just take care of yourself and you are not interested in the words or thoughts of others. Ninth mistake is getting the eyes. As we have already been said earlier, that talking with eyes in order to conversation with someone. Tenth mistake is People do not talk with their eyes and they started staring. Talking together with the eyes doesn't mean that staring in the person who is front of you. Generally speaking, or talking to someone, we have to take break after 7 to 10 seconds when we are conversating with someone else. So blink your eyelids after every interval of 7 to 10 seconds. 11th mistake is turning the eyes round and round. Many people turn their eyes round and round when they are in a conversation with someone. So avoid doing this. If this is your habit, then try to change it. 12th mistake is people used to carry a sad face. If you work by keeping freshness on your face, then it is also important to be happy with work. 13th mistake that people usually do while shaking their hands. So do not ever shake your hands in a form of light hands and be free. It feels like you are lacking in confidence. So when you shake your hands, do it with full vigor and freshness. 14th mistake is plucking. A fist in the course of the conversation also indicates wrongs. Also, like a cross leg or cross arm, it indicates that you do not want to talk openly. Last 15th mistake that people usually do is while they were talking to someone, they get too close to it. So keep the required distance in order of conversation and do not talk too close. And this is it. Always keep in mind to not make these mistakes in future to grow with a rapid speed. So in the end, we have a suggestion for you that if you want, then you can join us on our social media handles. Whatever you use, you will always get some of the new updates there, and all the link of our social media handles are available in the description box of this video. And if you have some questions that are still unanswered, then you can ask us by commenting below in the comment box. And with this, if you like this video and the information, then hit the like button and do share this video with everyone. So soon we'll meet you again with a new topic. So subscribe to the channel and tap to the bell icon to not miss the very next upload. So this is Divya from Trigonity Academy. See you soon in a new episode. Till then, goodbye. Take care. Jai Hind.